Hello and welcome to 1 Hour SaaS. My name is Mabash Iqbal. Everybody calls me Mubs. I am building a SaaS business in just 1 hour a day. We're currently building Podcast Ping, which is uptime monitoring built for podcasters. This is update for our number 48. We took a short break while there was election madness happening here in the US. We have a new president, but he won't actually be sworn in until next year, so I think not too much is going to change immediately. So as I got back to it, I was trying to remember where I was and kind of what I was working on and everything. But so we have a little side project too. We're building that podcast hosting review platform. It's more of an aggregator, I guess. So I spent a little bit of time just adding some more reviews of hosts in here. So we've got some more content in here. I'm going to continue to flush this out. I think I'm going to launch this site on Thursday or Friday this week. So we'll kind of see where we pan out with that. I think it's ready. It just needs more. Content. So we'll see where we're at with that. And then I spent a little bit of time kind of thinking about doing outreach for Podcast Ping. And I think for that, the sort of bit that I focused on was what's the perfect user profile, user persona for a Podcast Ping user. And I think we're looking for kind of a medium-sized podcast, maybe like a podcast studio that runs multiple podcasts, sort of that kind of thing. So I'm trying to assemble a list of about 100 people to reach out to, and it might be more podcasts than that, because obviously, like I said, if you're a podcast studio, we're running multiple podcasts. So it's really a list of 100 email addresses that I can collect through various different mechanisms or some other way of reaching those guys, Twitter, DM, or whatever it happens to be. And then once I've got that list, I'm going to start doing some outreach. I'm going to try and get like a 100-person list and see if I can get 10 people to at least try it out and hopefully start paying for it. So that's the sort of idea with kind of not using just kind of launching on products and sort of places like that to kind of gain to actually gain users, but actually try and do some outreach and see if there's some features that I'm missing that people say, well, I don't know if it had this one feature, and if I get enough people saying that, then obviously I can add that as well. So so that's it for hour 48. Gonna keep plugging away, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.